Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we have three major breaking stories. First, we will talk about Dr. Machar trial was delayed again after court technician became sick. And second, we'll talk about SPLA has responded strongly to government claim that opposition forces are moving toward Juba. And third, we'll talk about Kenya government has introduced a new proposal for inclusive peace talk to stop the conflict and move South Sudan to election. Stay with us until the end because we'll connect these three stories and explain why they mean or what they mean for the future of the country. Before we move on, please, if you are new to this channel, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with Dr. Riek Machar trial adjourned after technician fall ill in Juba. On Wednesday in Juba, the special court that is trying suspended first by President Dr. Machar and 7 other accused people was forced to stop the session and postpone the hearing. The reason was not because of lawyer, not because of witness, but because the technician who handled the live broadcast system became sick. These technicians are from the South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation, known as SSBC. Their job is to manage the court live streaming equipment and the screen used in the courtroom. According to report, these technicians become unwell one day before the 44 court session in Juba. So when the hearing started, the court found that the screen system was not ready and the session could not continue. Why the screen matters though? Many people may ask why postpone a whole trial just because of a screen. But in this court case, the live stream is important because it helps in clear presentation of evidence, it support live broadcasting for transparency, it prevents misunderstanding of witness testimony. So the presiding judge, Justice Jimmy Salala Deng, said they could not proceed with the case. He told the court something very clear, and I will say it in simple words. If the screen is not working, we must postpone. We do not want the witness testimony to be mixed up or misrepresented. So the court decided to postpone the hearing until Friday. What was expected in this session? This session was important because the prosecution was expecting to bring their final witness. This witness is also, or is said to be, a forensics expert from South Africa. That means this person would likely provide technical evidence, maybe about weapon, bullet analysis, crime scene finding, or other scientific fact. Also, this was a session open to the public, the media, and observers. Because of the court had already finished hearing testimony from some protected witnesses, the prosecution has presented many witnesses already. Here is what we know. 6 witnesses from the SSPDF gave testimony openly without protection. 12 other witnesses gave their evidence behind closed door, meaning the public could not watch. This shows the court is treating some witnesses as sensitive, probably because of security concern. Now let us talk about the big issue. What is the case about? Dr. Machar and his accused and his co-accused are facing very serious charges, including treason, crimes against humanity, mass murder, terrorism, and destruction of property, according to the government. These charges are linked to a major attack that happened in March 2025 in Nasser. The attack targeted an army base. The government said it led to the death of General David Majudak and dozens of other government soldiers. And during that incident, the government has launched a gunship that killed innocent civilians in Nasser town. The court has 3 judges. Justice James Alala Deng, which is the presiding judge. Second, Justice Stephen Simon Isaac. And third, Justice Pur Majok. The prosecution team is large with 13 lawyers. The defense team are 16 lawyers. This shows the case is being treated as one of the biggest political trials in South Sudan. The 8 accused people include Pot Kang Shul, Mampal Dwar Gadwich Lam Poch, Lieutenant General Gabriel Dwoblam, Dr. Riek Machar, the first Vice President, Camilo Ganmichael, Mading Yakrik, and Dominic Gadgokrik. So this is not just about Dr. Machar alone. It is a wide case involving senior figure and other individuals within the SPLA. So what does this delay mean? Now, as Changfied News, we must ask, what does this delay mean? Even though the reason sounds simple, technician got sick, the delay has political weight because the country is already tense. Fighting is increasing in some areas, and the trial is linked to national politics. Any delay increases speculation and public discussion. Now let us move to our second big story. The opposition group SPLA through its forces known as SPLA has responded to government accusations. The government claims opposition forces are moving closer to Juba and planning to advance, but SPLA has rejected this. The response came from Pogbot Balwang, who is the press secretary in Dr. Machar office. He spoke to Radio Tamazuch and say SPLA forces are not preparing to attack Juba. Instead, they are strengthening their position for self-defense. He stated that they acted because government forces, SSPDF, have repeatedly attacked them and violated security arrangement and the peace agreement. He described the current crisis as a man-made tragedy created by a regime in Juba that keep breaking agreement. Pogbot Balwang said that SPLA military action were not started by them, but were a response to aggression from the government side. Pok insisted that SPLA did not start the current security crisis. Their deployment are defensive. Their goal is to protect civilian and stabilize areas. He said their actions are based on international law and the responsibility to protect civilians. Pok claimed the peace deal has been violated many times by the government. He stated that SPLA sites that are supposed to be protected under the agreement were attacked, including cantonment areas and training centers. Pok both also stated that he claimed the crisis became worse in February 2025 when government forces, SSPDF, and allies launched attack in Upper State and also in Jonglei State. He even accused the government side of using Uganda People Defense Force, UPDF, and foreign mercenaries. Pok also made a very serious accusation, saying government forces used gunship against civilians and even chemical weapons, like what happened in Nasser and Fangak. Pok also made a very serious accusation, saying government forces use gunship in civilian areas, and even chemical weapons were used by the regime of Kirmiyadit. These chemical weapon claims were verified because in March, regime in Juba has launched a very serious and deadly gunship that targeted elderly and children in Nasser, in Wulang, in Lungashuk, and also in Fangak, according to the SPLA report and some of the pictures that were shared on social media, confirming that the regime indeed carried out this deadly attack, knowing that the area are full of civilians and they still carried on. Folks say SPLA has informed regional bodies, international community, and peace agreement guarantors and called for urgent action to revive peace. And he complained that no strong action has been taken so far. On the other side, a government spokesperson and information minister Atenwega Aten say we are not at war. He say fighting in northern Jonglei is a defensive operation by the army to stop SPLA from moving toward Juba. The SSPD also said they launched a military campaign called Operation Enduring Peace. The army announced it deploying more troops to northern Jonglei to regain areas including Urol, Nurol, and surrounding areas. So now the situation looks like both sides say they are defending themselves, both sides blame the other side, and fighting continue. The last time South Sudan went into full civil war, it was deadly from 2013 to 2018. The conflict killed around 400,000 people, where the Nuer civilians were targeted in Juba, and more than 20 or 30,000 people, Nuer civilians, were targeted in December 15 and December 16, or up to December 19, according to the report. The 2018 peace agreement brought some calm, but it has remained weak and fragile. Now, with this tension, the fear is that South Sudan could return to full war. And remember, First by President Dr. Machar is not just suspended, is now also on trial. That makes the political environment even more unstable. Let's move on. Kenya has proposed inclusive peace talk for South Sudan. This means Kenya wants government in Juba, opposition group, and all political stakeholders to sit together and find a final solution. Diplomatic sources said Kenya won't talk that include parties under reply peace agreement, to manage peace initiative group, Rome process stakeholders, and other actors. This plan was discussed in Nairobi during high-level meetings. Tumani initiative mediator involved. The talk were held in the presence of chief mediator Lazarus SPIO. He was the mediator of the Tumani initiative. And many people know Tumani was started in November. It was started in Nairobi in December 2023, but later stalled it and was suspended. Kenya President William Ruto made South Sudan special envoy Tut Galwag Maneme at State House in Nairobi. Also, President was South Sudan Foreign Minister Monday Samayu Kumba. President Ruto said Kenya is committed to peace and stability in the region. Ruto also said Kenya is ready to support South Sudan electoral body. He said the election institution must be strengthened so that election can be credible, peaceful, and accepted by the people. South Sudan is expected to have election later this year, but many challenges remain. When you look at Tumani Peace Initiative, why Tumani Peace Initiative collapsed? Tumani Initiative was praised at the beginning because it aimed to inclusive new opposition group, but later the government said Tumani legitimized rebellion and undermined the existing peace agreement. The talk were adjourned many times, and by February 2025, it was suspended without result. Now Kenya is trying again, but this time with a more inclusive plan. Gwaza me ban raketin kona lat karodian. Ken kono ni ami jira mi jidit goro jin bi subscribe ke bi notification bar bi jetwany koptin kon lat karodian bi kulaling. report nyama ban kwen gwasa me bala mandana shalat ka kwi first by president and wo cha look de cha nyom yot ka jok ka shanga de ka jok re wi ka juba ka special court hearing men loka dat ma chatin kan ne ka dang baron ti ka kel ne re kon cha go en kel kala wo cha lu mo cha ja kap jok cha kap ka friday mi mo shanga jandang jok ka pai ka jo cha lat gwasa me do bdana kap ka je chong janane en look cha kap chong ko shine de kon la lawyer shika pak cha kap chong ba ko witness ne shika tel cha kap chong ba ka dup to koken but kap ko je chong ka kwiram kel ram kel kan irin konten chwal ke SSBC ne re konten la latin te ram kel mala let ka kwi broadcasting ka chet ka live video la lat ke no gwanda lo ko luktin waram mo che mo ke joy akan luk kan lukana tok so mi na ben gwalo ko chap jogo ram mo tele je lo cha video cha je detur ka jan freedom wall so kuje moment to gene shikume mandanan tere lok chela no sha lugu mo chaja buluk chikani chu passport enona wa kan lugan jan wan wi wan die shop la for the first court session wa chi jan wuda mo che mo kedwal den cha lar no shana bu continue ko gorga jen ramadan ba ti kimen be evident be kenyot ramadan la South African person ke ran South Africa michalado ran forensics expert rameda ne shi kwak dial telanyeng first by president me shi ko git rewika South Africa ram me shi South Sudan South African be ko be den be ko nyona ta dana dong shi rek Machar kan ne ke shi kan ko dana shi to nasser shi kan support ke je so kamera dia ne chalat ko shi point and kan it content la judges ki jilwak chikala de wona me en lugo me cha open ka public cha ji media cha ka law ka cha all observers cha ja ko big weten biko gwi ka lugo dana ba luk ka kwira me be den be ka nyodane ai kon ere lugo dana loka la prosecution team tiken kenen ano tishop ke de kolar shok wel badak no ne dang bakel ke de kolar shirka mi ke ne kontel SSPDF la dine kan ne kon shin kai ke kan lat ke kwidak Machar ne dang waro wa ken kanetin kontel civilian ne katandien ba kai profile dio je tegatin mana kwara dit atin te kel ka ken yadit la nen ka dien ke chak dan let kan ka kume dakte Machar ke men let ken ka dag Machar so jen do badan e chungare de lat ke je so rama joga me wajen the final ka prosecution team ka witness ne ano bedu na beje present and then by ngaje no talk wala she talk and then after that maybe dong de tidial de go finalize and dong me de le gujani no dong de kan lalat so right now agenda an choro lar no mo cha court case ay yot jok jerman ci ko nga cha yot ka cha ndang jok ajen cha nan ban yo link ja and kan ko la prosecution team kan dial cha ka chan nen ken dial la I witness ne ken cha ga ti jore de netin ganka wo cha pen ken cha bungach kan netin content chi right openly ki de na SSPDF members of SSPDF tin chi right lora bang ngai kon diala no luga me lum de tara te ke siasa kon ko reda na chutok me cha de bin maju dakta enektin kennedy ni ka shi kirm yadit che civilian e ko la nuere kan nasir che ganak bone ka che kam ko lui pon che je use ngai quantity correct did along the churian lat ka gwase dan ajin do badan en kwaring Machar kwala go ngeje en ngumi chinwer wa ame shigenyen ka SSPDF so no mo ami chora lat gwaza me kaneten kontin la judges kere lokomo take ne dang dok tin kon lat ka look la judges can lawyery tin kontin chi involved ka la ray lokte ke jilwong dang dok wudu chala James Justice James Alela Deng agent presiding judge Ramadan la lugla jangok te kon ke radian Michal Justice Stephen Simon Isaac ke Justice Purma Jogne dang dok te kene kon loko look rewi ka South Sudan ka prosecution team ke bonda na met ke kum kirmi yadit ken te ken ke defend lawyer la jungon dang wel dok la ne ken ka defense team ka Dr. Machar te ne dang bakel karodi ne ne ote ka gab di long gab ne dang baro ne Dr. Machar ne dang bakel ne kem yadi ne dang wel dok la lawyer dang wel dok ka kir lawyer dang bakel ka Dr. Machar so mi chene me bi anga jenu mi bej so re loga da ne ko na sha gwa che mangai ko ne pot kang chol ramkel mampal do ramerode la du lam poj ramdiodien lieutenant general gabriel doblam ramwandien darma chaten ramdien camilo gan michael ramen de kolarno jeremy ram bakalien mading yakrik ram barodien dominic gat gokrik ram andan dabadegdien so kanang badek kan dial kan kona cha gwan kan to kon loka kan senior official ka kume SPLA IO so ne me agenda na choda lat enono bukono mo bane ngach mandien mi chalat gwa seme netin konti la SPLA IO shikar respond ka kume kirmiyadi de kane shi kume SPLA IO shikan ngoti kan gatol chaga jogo no ka yenetin kon ngot sietol te ga warga mi cha gor pogbot balwang warga mi chala do ne la pogbot balwang jeram dan la secretary ka Dr. Machar office chiga respond ka joma chalat kume kirmiyadi da kane gur kane ngot tin cha garpin ka 2018 peace agreement but kume marai ka document char kane we are defending ourselves gang kana rodian kane ne cha ne ma gwan tin wan cha ne jo ka goten kontil ne training tin ala ne boko gwan kontin tin kalaro ne tin ka defensive position magang ne roda kume kirmi yadi kane ne kane kon gang ne SPLA IO ko chicken bishop ray wit ka juba so na mo agenta dan tin kume SPLA IO kan ne an lat ke ti lada ke te de kirmi yadi ka log de ke 2018 peace agreement dan sha tan but remember kire jaram dan tan mal kan da Machar so jaram dan logo be mal be jinu chete right now right kon tam kor jatin ka panal state kor jatin ka jongle state ke part of eastern equatoria kana western equatoria to kotetin ko chikir che logo no bi mal baben shi kuma SPLA IO chikan kum kirmiyadi chikana gwanyen chikan Uganda people defense force chikana use no la foreign mercenaries kana ti chaga jara ka South Sudan ko na kana cha gunship cha use kum kirmiyadi ka chikan civilian chikan ga bungne ka chemical no en chemical poni cha use ka ti cha logo mondo den cha ngoda ba chi kum kirmiyadi cheka use man kule la rega long dum use ka de ne SPLA IO deragwa banere ko na use ka tin ga ko la civilian ajen man kule jiak lar kan no SPLA IO kan civilian tika kel so kan do badan bukan keja so ci SPLA IO ci kan la do ne ci kan regional bodies international community peace agreement guarantors ne de kontamal pingen ci karo ka European Union Africa Union gat ci karo ka no gejama dan le roda ba ne de ti tin kon ci karo ka tel me cha lar kan me dong de kula ro concrete evidence ko dong bu kamal bu kan no ano te ga jom chala da wirsho la tan woga tan chala da wona ajene we are not at war chine te kor gang ne kuma SPLA IO ko chikan be advance kan bu ka juba ka te kor teten chikan operation chalke operation enduring peace chikan kamrar ano bikanerian chalke uror nirol wona ka ko bo bikane dak ajenta dan ngai kon yanta to kor ka je ka jongle right now ajen operation money ka ci kuma SPLA IO kala da wona malat ke kum kirm yadit o ken chikan peace agreement cha ta 2018 peace agreement chikane yar niga tugdien ke yen Dr. Machar chikane yar niga tugdien ke yan ma che dane to kane wa kwiko chikan goro te malbe ben so na mo agenda le road right now no te ga jorien Machar gwase me Kenya government kana biga kuma South Sudan bikan loko ba queen kwar ba jelat gwa kaperi tel riakie tel kor kana bikan menshal kaytiman peace initiative kana opposition group dial ala kum South Sudan kana opposition group ki all political stakeholder bikan mat gwaskel bikan mal bikan non ka queen kwarman balat but right now melat kanone na ano party state chamal chaja tanya la reply peace agreement kana to man peace initiative alat ka Kenya kana menshal ka Rome process stakeholder kana other actors tintere kuma ka tin loke kum kin yadid ba mat gwaskel bika right. First of all, Kenya me ramen luak kuma South Sudan. They can kon ngaje no ngam te kariek, ngam to kor. Chirmedan ngai kon to man peace initiative ka February chaje report no cheliu. Then Michal to man peace initiative. Cheliu do be liu je wudi. O chi dagma char chaje biyen. Ramadan en la main political opening ka kirm yadi. Ka Ramadan lat ka dial ka jogde. So jen do be dan work to man peace initiative. Shai pelen wen mo lo mitalot. You know. So the tigan dial ka ti chala danga. Te chalat kir chikir go te mal be ka South Sudan go ramal wuri shalke tu ta galwang mani me shewe ka Kenya char jekane William Ruto ala Ramadan la kuer dung Kenya ala tu galwang mani me Ramadan la South Sudan special envoy right now chawo kana Nairobi uchi ko rake kum Kenya no de ne lokko de mal de jeno ka jeno mal chaje yara kirm yadi tena kor kalat keno tele korm de ten right now ngai kon jongle state code di dan de ten so that's a war but it can no tele mishala war so right now jenda le rodo kum Kenya can be kana look but can man mal de kulla do mal bene can kolat komal minu ngi by the way la bena gwa kel and then biane to bia kuma man che kir ba jon jin mele de mo jeka long dio je corporate chala de kuma SPLA yu konaling going kan kum kim yadi dino kokan make kum Uganda loga kum South Sudan la kir mi yadit ka kiro loga je bi malbe kul benedi and point den Michel kame queen kwarba benedi gwa mi mo ko na ko displace ka jongle ka panal ka unit state everywhere mala be gwada danen cha ne de kola voter cha ka joj so kir lerna me a system chi gwe gorje no terambe vote and then me vote cheben be chu yotin and then ba pass be continue ka kwer mi chu nareide amene to wan be kan lok bokane de konti la point jane no kir me ram nong mal a gorno be dialogue ba tok alun Dr. Machar kan je kwara den bana we ka table bana nyur ba mal ba je ngudi ba chu ntam ko na la nakka panal ka jongle ka jano telam la de ko nge jano taram chu gwa dan de ten kuna lu gwasmi run mi chi kore kula tiaka chine de wan chi ri already den be kula ro mala ta nge je medan chi nya den nya roj jado kire jara medan tikit ko na lu ke 2013 mi che no ne ba national election ba jela china de lu ne 400,000 chicken de lu you know chicken de liu ngwa de dan du mi che no but ke luk de je jen min liu na ke je right now ko kor chu jel min nyoko nok bono ba kuin kwar ba jelat ngum wil nat ke je jang na ko nang na rudien ka ko kor bele onok mi na chup ko kude la ja no ko so right now ko to ka jongle mi to ka panal ana mu we chup we bor we je ga ke we bene ke sin ko te ke we sin ko be ke mi yadit ba mal ba je nyom no ko je ka kula ping min nindi chanako so report me jana gore nya kon kel an ban nyaw je ka report dien ya ta mal bye bye